Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will share with you unboxing another dealer exclusive that I had the chance to get one of these and it will be the CJRB Pyrite-Alt KnifeCenter exclusive. So the model number is there, you can see the J1925A-BNB. These are made in China, of course. Comes in a really nice and sturdy CJRB box. If you like to pause it and check out what they are saying, it's up to you. Like other companies, CJRB also gives you these bonus materials like pouch and no cloth but a silica packet. So yeah, thank you for that. That definitely saves some money. And the Pyrite-Alt is basically a pyrite with different blade configuration and has no thumb studs but a thumb hole opener. So like I mentioned, this is a KnifeCenter exclusive, so it will feature a beautiful natural Burlap Micarta scale configuration. And I would say this is a little bit more refined version to the standard pyrite, because as you can see, with the standard pyrite you are flicking open it flies open. This not so much, so you can definitely flick it out, but it is more suitable to slow roll it, open it nicely and precisely, and so it is definitely up to you if you would like to have this modified sheep's foot blade or a standard drop point. Both of them are exceptionally well made knives, and I'm really happy that in 2023 they released also a large one and also a micro or small one. So now everybody, every size, every hand size can choose the pyrite for themselves. So let's start with the specification. So we have a roll length of 18.6 centimeters, that is 7.3 inches. The blade is 8 centimeters or 3.1 inch. The blade width is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. The blade thickness is 2.3 millimeters or 0.1 inch. Hand length is 10.7 centimeters or 4.2 inches with a thickness of 1.1 centimeter or 0.44 inches. So this is a like I mentioned, around 18 to 19 centimeters. Is a small to medium size EDC. It will fit all sizes of hands, just because it has a really nice neutral style of heft configuration. I'm really happy that the designers did thought about that. There is also a 4-finger choil, which you can choke up, and then you will have a full 4 fingers worth of purchase. I have XL size hands, so this is how it looks like. As far as materials goes, we have the AR RPM 9, which is a stainless steel similar to the D2, but it has better corrosion resistance, and it is proprietary for CJRB. So I'm really happy that they went the extra mile to design completely new steel for their mid-priced knives. So like you probably know, CJRB is a subsidiary of Artisan Cutlery. So with Artisan you have your much higher end knives with S35 VN and up, but also with the CJRB brand you have some Damascus style configurations which do cost around $100+, but they are well worth the money in my opinion. So okay, opening method, like I mentioned, you have either you can open it via the thumb hole, or you can use the centrifugal force to swing it open by depressing the button. The handle materials, since this is a dealer exclusive, they went a little bit premium. So you have a titanium bolster, then the natural Burlap Micarta scales, and then stainless steel liners that are nicely skeletonized. You can see really deep pockets milled in, so they went above and beyond, in my opinion, with designing this knife to keep it as light as possible. And the weight is 85.6 grams, so 3 ounces. So definitely a really nice and lightweight ADC package overall. As far as the pivot assembly goes, it rides on caged ceramic cage ball bearing washers, so basically standard procedure for lots of Chinese companies, so they know that this is good, so they are using it. As far as centering goes, this is perfectly centered. We have open construction, back construction, so you have 2 pillars or standoffs right there. Let me also show you the changes as far as pocket clip goes. So the standard Pyrite will have this nice deep carry stainless steel folded over pocket clip with flush screws. The dealer exclusive has a titanium 3D milled contoured pocket clip, which has no flush screws. They use the same body screws and on the scale. It has medium stiffness. So let's see the sharpness out of the box. Let me find some paper. So out of the box, this is definitely nice and sharp. I feel a little bit toothiness to the edge, so I would suggest to just use your favorite strop or ceramic stones, and this will be even sharper. Okay, so as far as, and I forgot to mention that the knife is using a what's called button lock. Yeah. So as far as the pocket clip goes, that would probably be my only gripe. I understand they wanted to make a premium product, but I would prefer to have the standard deep carry pocket clip. Just it depends on how thick the fabric you have. This could, as you can see, there is just so much place to hold of the fabric. So the standard one has a much larger space. But if you use this one for some let's say special occasions, and you don't have super thick jeans or super thick pants, then this is perfectly fine. They also included a generous lanyard hole, so if you prefer to have a lanyard attached, then you can definitely do so. The design, the shape, I really like the configuration. The Alt was my preferred braid configuration, which I also wanted with my first Pyrite, but unfortunately they were sold out really fast. But this is probably better, so because now we can compare them. Okay, so as far as variants go, because the great folks at KnifeCenter do want their customers give the options, they also contracted the standard version with the same embellishment. So you can get either the old version or the drop point version with the same configuration. So same steel, same Burlap Micarta. And since I had one, I did not buy the second one. Okay, as far as pricing goes, the MSRP is $97.32, but usually these will be on sale for around $70 to $95. So if we are talking about under $75, this is a really great price point. With everything which is going on with the inflation and so on, I was really surprised that this did not cost around $100. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So let me put back the the titanium version of the, yes, and I forgot to mention that if you don't care about the micarta, there are 15 other variants you can choose from. They are black micarta, black G10, OD green, OD green canvas micarta, and also you can go with full black configuration, and pink G10, gray G10. So yeah, lots and lots of configuration, lots of versions. And if we are counting also, you can go with the mini size or the XL size or large size, then you can definitely choose from a lot of different versions. So for size comparisons, let's do some EDC sized micarta knives that I have in my collection. So here is the best tech. This is the slasher. Here is the catalyst, which is more on par as pricing goes. Here is the CRKT Pillar 1. Paramilitary 3. Here is the small grip dealer from Benchmade. Benchmade Bug Out. Let's compare to the previous KnifeCenter exclusive CJRB. This is the mini feldspar. As you can see there, they're using probably the same quality micarta. Really nice to see that they still have available this one after a couple of years. Here is the Bucksprint Pro. Let's see, here is the QSP Penguin, and here is the CVV Element, two strong contenders in this EDC configuration. Okay, let's see, here is the Spyderco Delica and Red Model 2. Let's see the Kaiser Big Lighter 2. Here's the Pillar 4 from CRKT. Kaiser Pinch, the OG China Carta knife. And let's see the Rough Rider Peanut. And here is the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So what to say more? Overall, I would really recommend this knife. If the size and configuration is something that is useful to you, then feel free to check out. I will be linking down below the site of the KnifeCenter product site where you can get these. And yeah, with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. I always appreciate my subscriber taking the time watching my videos, letting me know what they think. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, I'd like to wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.